Hello students, Sai Ram. I hope you all are enjoying your holidays. Come on, now let's start with our studies. Today I am going to teach you active English. Remember your active English subject? Yes. Now, here, oh wow, a bird looking so beautiful. Yes? Hmm. Here I can see two sentences also. First sentence, the bird can fly. See, the bird is flying and coming over there. Next sentence, the bird can hop. See, the bird is doing hopping also. Now, how to join the sentences? Yes, the ideas are similar. Yes, one bird, the bird can fly, and let's see. Now, my next slide is let's join this sentence. Okay. Here it comes, surprise for you all. Yes, the bird can fly and hop. Yes, that means here there's a similar ideas. Here and is used. Do you remember? And word comes under conjunction. Call it a joining words also. And, but, or. Remember you have done in your previous chapter? Why we are using and? We are using and to connecting the words that tell you more. Okay. It has similar ideas. That's why we are using and over here to make into one sentence. Okay. It have a similar ideas. The bird can fly and hop. Okay, students? Now, this one more method to use. This is another method of using to. Remember chapter number 5? Teacher taught you by using to how you are going to connect these sentences. Let's see. A small revision. Okay. Rohan is running. Vikram is running. Both of them are doing same activity. Similar activity. Yes. So let's join this sentence. How? By using and. Rohan is running and Vikram is running, comma, to. Yes, to means also. They both are doing same activity. That's why we are adding over here to. T-O-O-2. And put full stop. Okay, students? Rohan is running. Question is, Rohan is running. Vikram is running. Yes, the activities are similar. Same. Complete the sentence by using to. So here they gave the question to make it in a one sentence. They have given the separate sentence. They are the separate sentence, but the activities they are doing same activity. Okay. So Rohan is running and Vikram is running, comma, to. Okay. Rohan is running and Vikram is running, comma, to. I hope you remember your chapter number 5 of active English. Now, today we are going to study active English chapter number 6. Okay, chapter number 6. Here you are going to add 1. How you are going to add 1 and word? Let's see. Okay, complete the sentences by using 1. Here, first question, Prem has a blue shirt. Full stop. Mohan has a blue shirt. Okay, these are the two separate sentences. Let's make it into one sentence. Prem has a blue shirt and. Why? We are using and to combine the words, connecting the words. Okay, and that tells you more. Let's see. I combined the word with the help of and, and in between. Then come to the next sentence. I am joining this sentence. Mohan has a blue one. Here I am not going to repeat shirt again. Okay? Blue one comma 2. TOO2 full stop. Okay students, again I am repeating this question and answer. Listen carefully, very important. Okay, so today I am going to do this chapter is 6, chapter 6 of active English. Here you are going to add 1. Okay, where you are going to add 1? Let's see. Question is, complete the sentences by using 1. Prem has a blue shirt. Full stop. Mohan has a blue shirt. Because these two are different sentences. Prem has a blue shirt and separate sentence, but we have to connect this sentence. Okay. And Mohan has a blue 1, comma 2. Understood? Mohan has a blue 1 shirt. I am not going to repeat. This is a rule. Do not repeat shirt again. Blue 1, comma 2. Okay students. Now let's come to the next question. Second question. Maya has a thick book. Anu has a thick book. Here also, both of them have thick book. How you are going to frame these sentences? How you are going to make one sentence? And by using 1. Okay? Ready all of you? Just think. Come on. Just think. Maya has a thick book and Anu has a thick 1, comma 2. Anu has a thick 1, comma 2. Here I am going to add full stop. See, full stop not there. Okay? Maya has thick book and Anu has thick 1, comma. Always put full stop student. Very important. Okay? To full stop. You are completing this sentence. Okay students? Maya has thick book. Full stop. Anu has thick 1. So answer how you are going to write. Maya has thick book and Anu has thick 1, comma 2. Okay. Maya has thick book and Anu has thick 1, comma 2. TOO2 full stop. Okay students. Now let's come to the third question. Oh, Mr. Rao has a red car. Mr. Das has a red car. Okay. How you are going to make in one sentence? Just think. Here is the answer. Mr. Rao has a red car and Mr. Das has a red 1. 1, comma 2. Okay. 2 is used also. 2 means also. Understood? Mr. Rao has red car and Mr. Das has red 1, comma 2. Full stop. Always remember, after 1 you have to put comma. Okay students? I hope you understood this answer, how you have to do complete the sentences. Let's come to the fourth one. Mrs. Das has a big basket. Mrs. Rao has a big basket. How you are going to join? How you are going to complete these sentences? Here is the answer. Mrs. Das has a big basket and Mrs. Rao has big 1, comma 2. Mrs. Das has a big basket and Mrs. Rao has a big 1, comma 2. Okay? I hope you understood. Again I am repeating this question. Mrs. Das has a big basket. Mrs. Rao has a big basket. Now answer. Mrs. Das has a big basket and Mrs. Rao has a big 1, comma 2. Okay? I hope you understood. You have to add and in between for connecting the words. Then you have to put 1 comma 2 the end of the sentence, but you will not repeat the object again. Okay, basket only once it comes. At the end second, you are going to write only this big, not basket again. Instead of basket, you are going to write 1 comma 2. Okay. Now fifth question. Mohan is holding a red book. Prem is holding a red book. Complete the sentence. Remember the question. Always remember the question. Complete the sentence by using 1. By using 1. O-N-E 1. So how you are going to use? First we have to connect the sentence. Okay, with the help of, this is your answer, with the help of and. Exactly, you are right. Mohan is holding a red book and Prem is holding a red one, comma 2. Understood? Mohan is holding a red book and Prem is holding a red 1, comma 2. Okay? Again I am repeating this question. Mohan is holding a red book. Prem is holding a red book. Books is there. Red is also there. Mohan is, answer is, remember, Mohan is holding a red book. How to connect the word with the help of and? You are going to add and here to connect the sentence. Prem is holding a red one. You are not going to repeat the object again. Book. You will not repeat. Okay? Red 1, comma 2. T-O-O 2 full stop. Okay, students? Now let's come to the sixth one. Anu is holding a blue basket. Maya is holding a blue basket. Again I am repeating the question. Concentrate and look over here, students. Read the question properly. Anu is holding a blue basket. Maya is holding a blue basket. So how you are going to complete the sentence? By using 1. Just think. Here is the answer. Magic. Anu is holding a blue basket and Maya is holding a blue 1, comma 2 full stop. Okay? Anu is holding a blue basket and Maya is holding a blue 1, comma 2 full stop. Understood? After 1 you have to put comma, 2 full stop. Now let's come to the seventh one. Mohan is wearing black shoes. Okay? Prem is wearing black shoes. Think. What will be the answer? How you are going to connect this sentence together? Come on. Yes. Mohan is wearing black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, comma 2 full stop. Here you have to put full stop. Always remember. Okay? Full stop. Mohan is wearing black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, 2. Full stop. Okay, students? Always remember this. Again I am repeating this question. Mohan is wearing black shoes. Prem is wearing black shoes. Answer. Mohan is wearing black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, comma 2, and then you have to put over here full stop. Understood? Yes. Mohan is wearing black shoes and you have to connect and. You have to put and for connecting the other sentence, other words. And Prem is wearing black 1, comma 2. After 2 you have to put full stop. Okay? Now let's come to the next question. The men are wearing white hats. The women are wearing white hats. Okay? The men are wearing white hats. The women are wearing white hats. What will be the answer? Just think. What will be the answer? Just think. I am also thinking. I am giving you time. Okay. Let's see the answer. I think you all are saying correct one. Here is the answer. The men are wearing white hats and women are wearing white 1, comma 2. Put here full stop. Okay? The men are wearing white hats and women are wearing white 1, comma 2. Okay, students? The men are wearing white hats and women are wearing white 1, comma 2. Okay? I hope you understood. Now let's come to this ninth question. Ready? Oh, pencil and one boy. Prem. I have red pencil. I have red pencil. I have a red pencil. Prem has a red pencil. Okay. How you are going to connect and complete the sentence by using 1? Ready all of you? So, here is your answer. I have a red pencil and Prem has a red 1, comma 2. I have a red pencil and Prem has a red 1, comma 2. Full stop. Okay, students? I hope you understood. Again, I am repeating this question. I have a red pencil. Full stop. Prem has a red pencil. Both are separate sentence. Yes, there are 2 sentences. We are going to make it into one. I have a red pencil and A-N-D and A-N-D and. Okay? And Prem has a red 1, comma 2. Prem has a red 1, comma 2. Here also you are not going to repeat the object. Okay, this is another method of completing the sentence. I have a red pencil and Prem has a red 1, comma 2. T-O-O 2. Full stop. Okay, after 1 you have to put comma. After 1 you have to put comma. Children, remember this. Keep it in your mind. Always. Very important. This is a way of writing the sentence. It's another method. Okay. Always put comma, full stop. Okay, students. Remember this. Very important. Now, next question is we. 10th question. We have a big picture. Full stop. They have a big picture. Okay. Now think how you are going to connect this sentence into one and where you are going to write one, comma. Then you are going to complete with the by using 2. Just think. Just think, students. Come on. Yes. I can hear you all are saying. Exactly, right. Here is the answer. We have a big picture and they have a big 1, comma 2. Again I am repeating this answer. We have a big picture and they have a big 1, comma 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, there's a worksheet I given you. You have to click below the YouTube and you have to solve this worksheet. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Have a nice day. Saira.